morning everyone. This is going to be our first GK lecture after our new academic session. So be ready with your books. Your first chapter name is India Drainage System. So it is a part of Unit 1 India and the World, which is on page number 5. So now let us begin with it. Now we are going to know about what drainage system. What is drainage system? Drainage system is the pattern formed by streams, rivers and lakes in a drainage basin. These systems depend on the topography of the land. Drainage basins are divided from each other by topographic barriers which are called as watershed. Streams are a big part of drainage system. India has huge drainage system as it is a land of several rivers. Drainage system in India. India is a country of several rivers. More than 400 big and small rivers are found, which can be divided into 23 large and 200 small river basins. Indian drainage system is broadly divided into two, that is Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Okay, so it is further subdivided into antecedent, that is the older Himalaya, and non-antecedent, which is your younger than Himalayas. Now peninsular rivers are further divided into two, that is west flowing boards and east flowing boards. Now 90% of the land water drains into Bay of Bengal and the rest to the Arabian Sea. Now if you know the map of India accurately, west side में जो है वो मुंबई रीजन आ जाएगा, वो तुम्हारा किस में जाएगा सारा पानी? अरेबियन सी में चला जाएगा. और जो ईस्ट रीजन है इंडियन पेनिनसुलर का, वो किस में चला जाएगा? उसमें का सारा पानी इट गोज इनटू बे ऑफ बंगाल. अब हम लोग हिमालयन रिवर सिस्टम देखेंगे विच वॉज फर्दर सब डिवाइडेड इनटू एंटीसीडेंट एंड नॉन एंटीसीडेंट. ठीक है. The upliftment of Himalayas in different geographical periods resulted in present drainage systems of Himalayan rivers. The river divide, watershed, and the channel of these rivers have changed at different places. There are three major river systems in Himalayas. That is, first one the Indus system, second one the Ganga system, third one the Brahmaputra system. Now we'll look into peninsular river system. The course and the channel of peninsular rivers are evolved by passing through various geographical events. Most of the peninsular rivers flows into Bay of Bengal. The rivers of this region are older than Himalayan region. I don't think there is much of need to explain what was written over here. सिर्फ यही बताया गया है कि ये वाले peninsular region में जो होते हैं वो Himalayan region से जो rivers flow होते हैं उनसे comparatively older होते हैं. अब हम लोग question answers पे आ जाते हैं. That is, tick the correct option. The first one is Indira Sagar Dam of Madhya Pradesh is built on. The answer is Narmada River. मध्य प्रदेश में. आई थिंक मैं आप लोग को एक मैप सेंड करूंगी, उसमें आप लोग को बोलूंगी तो यू कैन जस्ट लोकेट इट. ठीक है. अभी के लिए मैं आंसर्स दे रही हूँ तो आप लोग देख लो. द आंसर इज नर्मदा रिवर. उकाई डैम जो कि है कहाँ? गुजरात में. सी इट इज रिटन ओवर देयर. Ukai Dam, located in Gujarat, has been constructed on. The answer is Tapi River. The answer is Tapi River. Nagarjun Sagar Dam in Andhra Pradesh is built on. The answer is Krishna River. The answer is Krishna River. Pong Dam of Himachal Pradesh has been constructed on Beas River. The answer is Beas River. Super Dam in Karnataka is built on Kali River. The answer is Kali River. Idukki Dam of Kerala is built across. The answer is Periyar River. Bango Dam of Chhattisgarh is built on, and the answer is Hasdeo River. Minamata Mango Dam of Chhattisgarh is built on Hasdeo River. I repeat, the answer is Hasdeo River. Lumavu Dam of Kerala is built across Periyar River. The answer is Periyar River. Now, additives. Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. Before entering the Bay of Bengal, the Ganga, along with Brahmaputra, forms the largest delta of the world, covering an area of 58,752 square kilometers. The coastline of delta is highly indented area and is made up of web of distributaries and islands. It is covered by dense mangrove forest. With this, this chapter comes to an end, and after this we are going to move to our next chapter, which is our second chapter.